Stroboscopic effect. As we discussed, stroboscope emits the light, and by using a flasher unit, we are converting or we are making that light to produce the flashes. When the light is getting on and it is getting off, it is consuming certain time, which means that 1 by T is giving us certain frequency. As I discussed, it works on the principle of frequency. So the stroboscopic effect is the frequency of the emitted light from the stroboscope equals to the frequency of the rotation or vibration. To understand this concept, let's say you are having a disk and you mark a point at any position of the disk and you start rotating it. After one rotation, it again reaching the same point. When it is again reaching the same point, it is consuming certain time to complete that one rotation. So it means that there is also a frequency. So when both the frequencies are matching, the frequency of the emitted light from the stroboscope as well as the frequency of the rotating object or the vibrating object, when they both are matching, they are going to give us a illusion that is somehow similar to this. The object which is actually rotating that seems to be stationary. I will share one example with you. Let's say you are traveling by a bus. When you are traveling by a bus, suddenly a red light came and the bus stops, and you are sitting on the window seat and you are looking outside. There is one another bus just outside to your bus. When there is green light, both the buses start moving. But as the RPM are less, they are moving and you are looking outside towards the another bus. Sometimes you try to remember or you try to think of, you observe that or might be observed that the buses are stationary, but actually they are moving. It is only because of the stroboscopic effect. Means the rotation of both the buses, the RPM of the both the buses, they are same. Or in return, you can say the frequency of your bus and the frequency of that another bus, when they both matches, the object seems to be stationary. So this effect is actually called as the stroboscopic effect, and which is responsible to perform the desired function in the stroboscope. It is generally used to measure the RPM, vibrations, or the frequencies, or the oscillating motions.